that video and then we'll go for the messages that you guys have. So, I can start sa message. Gusto mong tissue? Okay, so Mia, for me, very, very grateful and parang within 2 years, more than 2 years, parang it's not just sa hard work, sa effort, but you're one of the foundations ng little team natin when it started. So we're really, really grateful. And I'm excited for you kasi feeling ko may more growth for you and also excited for your family also kasi you'll spend more time with your mom and reach out, don't be a stranger. So parang katulad ni Jessie, di ba? Can always go back kasi I'm really grateful for the team and it's always a privilege for me to be able to see everyone here, not just lang yung team members ng strategy, but see you all grow. And I'm looking forward dun sa what you will do next. So thank you for your effort, your hard work, your time, and you know. Okay, thank you. Okay. Who wants to go next?
I think yung wonder is Trish.
Go, Mia.
Hi, Mia.
Papamalak si
So, yung maraming si Mia na tulong sa akin nung nagsa-start ako ng contractor. Pero may isa akong memory na it's not about work, pero it showed her kindness. So, last year, nung send-off ni Jessie, na-injure po ako. Tapos, di po ako makalakad noon. Tapos, si Mia, nakita niya ako sa desk ko na may ICU pa ako. Tapos, sabi niya, sige, wait lang ha. Tapos, after 20 minutes, pinadeliver niya sa husband niya yung tungkod nila sa house. Tapos, di ko alam paano mag-react nun kasi hindi pa kami close nun. So, sabi ko sa kanya, saan mo ito nakuha? Sabi niya, pinadala ko sa husband ko. Iyan mo siya! Tapos, sabi niya, balik mo na lang yan sa akin pag kaya mo na tumayo. So, I think, in a way, metaphor siya kasi aside sa physically helping me tumayo, di man tayo magka-project but you were always there, especially pag may tanong ako about Salesforce and ServiceNow. So, Mia, see you in Baguio and
Yes.
this is not a goodbye but see you soon somewhere. Thank you so much.
Mamaya, pang finale ka.
Talking stick daw.
Oh, CY. May tissue tayo.
Yeah, thank you so much for everything. I remember when I started yung SMT days, tapos I have a lot of questions. Tapos sobrang patient mo sa akin kahit kailangan mo ituro like step by step. And then I remember that one time na kasi nag-choppy si Miss Ira during a call. Tapos sabi niya sa akin,
Gusto ko car memory mo yun.
Sabi ka kasi.
hindi kasi po, from that week sabi niya sa akin, sige, pag nagbibigay ng task si Ira, gonna listen to your task para pag nag-choppy ulit siya, gonna give it to you. Yun lang. And then, thank you for everything kasi I remember tatawagan ko po siya ng 11:30 tapos she will answer tapos naalala ko ng asawa niya kasi ako daw po yung sorry tapos thank you. Yun lang. I wish you happiness and success and I'm so happy that you're moving to Baguio. Thank you so much for everything.
Thank you, Ted. Pasa mo na. Sino gusto mo din? Pasa mo na.
Si Paige po.
Ikaw na sunod. Pili ko.
Okay, hi Mia. So,
Sinulat ko dun sa note.
siguro one of the most memorable things na, wait, you're one of the people na hindi ko masyadong nakakasama sa project since SMB and Tanzas Galileo ko. But, I think the this was one of our very first interactions. So papansin ko kasi lagi ka naka-shades. Lagi ka naka-shades pagpasok and then like, bago pa ako na. And like, lagi ko na lang siyang kina-compliment yung shades mo. I was like, Lamia, ganda ng shades mo. Tapos sasabihin ko sa akin, thank you. Tapos, lagi tuloy kita naaalala dahil dun sa shades na yun.
Yung picture, yung shades na yun.
Ito ba?
Parang, yun. Through our little interactions, then, like Trish, I was able to witness how kind you are and caring. So, I'm so happy for you that you're moving on to the next chapter of your life, which is in Baguio. Wow, sana all. So yeah, I'm so happy for you. And I wish you the best. And sana mag-hang out pa rin tayo kahit wala ka sa JJ. Yun lang. Thank you, Mia.
Paige, voluntold.
Pwede ba mag-volunteer nang nasa call?
Yeah, of course. It's,
Siri.
Ray, can you hear us?
Ikaw lang po naririnig ko. Pag yung malayo po ata hindi marinig.
Okay, sorry. Sige, message daw for Nia. Si Paige
Okay po.
nag-voluntold sa'yo.
Sige po. Hi, Ate Mia. Ayun, really grateful for you. Kasi nung nag-start ako sa team, I remember isa ka sa mga yung considered na na mas matanda sa akin na contractor. So yun, parang kahit na ako yung pinakabata sa team noon, never ko na feel na na ako yung pinakabata, never ko rin na feel na yun yung first job ko kasi dahil sa inyo and dahil sa iyo, sobrang helpful, always ready kapag may tatanong ako or mahingi ako ng help. Hindi ko na feel na na parang iba yung tingin niyo sa akin. So, yun, isa ka sa mga nagpa-feel sa akin ng ganon. And ayun, thank you so much din sa mga chikahan kapag nag-dinner. Ang daming mga magagandang advice din, even sa leadership and sa life in general. Tapos, ayun, I hope to see you din sa Baguio pag napabisita doon. Tapos, yeah, praying for more blessings sa inyo ni husband mo po. And, ayun, all the best sa future work mo pa. Thank you so much and ingat, enjoy.
Yay!
Thank you, Daddy. Get well soon. Ray, sino daw gusto mo next? Wag si Jack, finale si Jack.
Yan na po, si Darla mag-message.
Hindi pa. Okay, sige si Dar. Thank you, Ray.
Hi, Mia. So, yung core memory ko po with Mia was, I remember when I first started, the others would always tease me for being konyo, ganyan. And I remember she came up to me, parang she was asking me, do you think you're konyo, Dar? And I'm like, I guess. Tapos ever since then, parang in-accept ko na yun yung image ko sa team. But even though other people, like si Jaja, she would tease me about it. Parang si Mia would always be like defending me as well, even though she would tease me on the side. But aside from being such a warm and like steady presence sa team, she's also very silly at times, and like she has like that humor that na para anyone can relate to. So I think that's one of the reasons why super dali nung acclimate namin mga bago when we first started sa J&J. So thank you so much, Mia, and I feel very lucky to have been your teammate, and I'm jealous of the future like other teams that will be graced by your presence. So good luck in your future endeavors then.
Sama niyo ba?
Janica.
Wait lang. I think, ngayon ko na na-realize na ang tagal na ni Mia dito kasi nauna pa siya sa akin. And then, she was, na-emotion na ako, wait lang. So Mia, thank you. Dahil, pinaka-core memory ko naman was, nung bago ako, it was Mia who I was always chatting kasi yung project ko noon was similar dun sa task na ginagawa nila. So, I don't know ba't hindi ko siya na-chat nun si Jaja. Siguro kasi. Pero, ang point ko lang is, she was, like, ever since, Mia has always been one of the friendly faces talaga dito sa team. And parang when you approach her, you don't feel judged, you don't feel categorized somewhere. Kasi she would always be open, and accommodating whatever question you have or whatever concern you have. And that's what I like about her kasi every time you have a question, she always has something to say. Even though she doesn't really know the answer, she'll refer you to someone who might know. So, and then another thing that I like about you, Mia, is you're still very authentic to yourself. Like, you showed me na it's really possible to have a life outside of work. And I'm grateful for you to you allowed me to have a glimpse of it. No, in-invite mo kami dun sa wedding nyo. So I'm like, oh my God, ganito kami ka-close kasi so I'm grateful na so I'm grateful and thank you then for allowing us to see a glimpse of yun nga, your other life, your life outside of work. Tapos nakapag-swimming pa kami sa inyo. Hala, grabe.
Wow, may swimming
So,
pool!
yun lang. I really na-realize ko lang din talaga na you've always been there. You always show up. And you've always been a very supportive and strong team member. So, we'll really miss you and we'll definitely feel na wala ka na dito. So, thank you for everything and see you around. Good luck. And I wish you all the best. Kayo ni Ale. Thank you. Wedding message. Miss J.
Si Jazz kasi, whenever there's a big project, ay tatayo ba ako? Sige ako. Doing my major project, like Kenview, she allows me to interview the team members. So I interview kita. And I believe siya, si Jaja, and a few more. And I believe there are no accidents. Kasi, when Mia came on board, as Jaja came on board, sabi ka talaga sa team, Mama Mia to eh. Mia, di ba gusto mong magka-baby? Pag-practicean mo si Jaja, ha? Kasi para siyang teenager. Kaya mo yan. So si Mia, tawag si Mama Mia, para siyang naging mommy talaga with that small group of hours in Kenview. That was year 2 kasi of my stint in Kenview for that project. So, and hindi talaga totoo yung you're very dependable, she's very helpful, mabait. Very strong kasi katok na naman yung mga hindi, meron kami core memory, gulong. Kasi for the small team, and you know naman, the contractors really don't have a budget, as we all know. We just living on the budget of J&J. So, para naman matuwa, kasi very difficult yung projects that we're usually in, even now. So, Kenview back then was also very challenging. So, para ng pampalong pagloob, para mahilig ka mag-samjuk. Para lang eat all you can, ganyan. Eh, nagkataon, I had to change the tires of the car. Si Nia, being very kind-hearted. Iniwanan kasi tayo ni Royd di ba? Iniwanan kami nung isang Mike. Oo nga si Mike. Iniwanan tayo ni Mike. So, kami na lang. And sabi niya, kung ako, may mga gulong sa kotse. 4 yun kasi CR, di ba lalaki? Sabi ko, pagtulong tayo na, Miss Jane, shot put, ano ka? Shot put ako ng athlete. Malakas ako, kaya ko yun. Wala namang rim yung gulong, so kaya niya. grabe, yung 4 na gulong, pinatas niya sa trucks. All by herself.
Wow.
Lang talaga yun. Sabi ko, Mia, kaya mo talaga. And lo and behold, nalaman namin a few weeks after.
A few weeks after.
Buntis pala siya. So, pero strong woman siya talaga. Very caring and the most patient person na na-meet ko is your J&J. And as you can see, kaya nga mami, si Mama Mia to for me. I will see you in Baguio whenever I can.
Yeah.
Congratulations. Good luck. And I look forward to ayan. So, good luck, Mia, and I'm sure the future holds more abundance.
Thank you.
For you. Yun no.
Hindi pa ikaw. Bob?
Ay, si
Jessie na, si Jessie.
Ah, Jessie.
Jessie. Kayo.
Yes, ano ba? Me and I don't think we started in a, yung very okay, right? I know we had challenges before and we were very transparent of that. But that changed over time, especially when Mia has been supporting yung mga projects that I was leading, and of course, especially the SMD project. So what I really admire about her is that she's very positive, right? Yung sinabi ni
Sino siya?
sabi ni Dari na yung humor niya, yes, that's really true. Kasi diba, when we have our Monday meeting, every Monday, weekly Monday meetings, we share, you know, how our weekend went, ganyan, and so Mia would always share fun things about yung weekend niya, and whenever we had the demo, yung mga training natin, diba, I really enjoy when you lead a particular section or whatsoever, because you engage your audience, and I hope you continue doing that. And then another thing is that you can actually take complex initiatives or challenges. I will not forget how you manage yung consolidate ng FAQs.
Knowledge
Pagkaroon
blocks.
ka pa, oh my God, there's a
Grabe
lot,
yun.
like thousands
Grabe
of FAQs, and she was able to consolidate them and even presented us about how she did it, yung thought process niya and recommendations. So you have to continue doing that. You have the potential, and I wish you success sa new MD4 mo, and good luck. See you in Baguio.
Yeah, thank you, Jessie.
Si Jesse, for the info pala of those who just joined, he used to be our team member involved in SMD. So, kaya lang ano na siya, kabilang, nag-Canada siya.
Nag-Canada.
Kabilang bansa.
Kabilang
Kabilang
bansa.
bansa. Naging digital nomad na siya. And asyendero na siya.
Ay,
Asyendero.
And yung ano natin, North Star.
Thank you, guys. Picky ba? Hindi na tayo lalo si Bobby na.
Ano rin, ilalabas pa ni Bobby yung power na. May sariling deck.
Ano sa iba, si Mia, pinukonsider ko na ate sa team. Pagka may away kami ni May, siya yung...
Nadamay ka na naman.
Lagi sa amin ng advice. And then, kasi yung for din lang tayo nasahan last week was, iwanan mo na si May mag- I just wanted to thank you sa advice mo. Medyo, nagsasawalan na kami ni May.
Gamit.
Okay. Last year, na-operahan ako, so na-remove na yung gallbladder ko. And then, ang accounts ng iba, nagkwento sa akin na after my operation, I received a note sa team. And then, andun yung mga message ni na Jude, ni na Charm.
Si Charm.
Sa kanila ng buong team. Saka yung mga, ang papayat nyo. na paano nagkaroon ng file na yon. Kasi nasa office, I thought it was just a one-pager. Sabi ko, okay, picture ko dun sa one-pager. And then when I was downloading it dun sa isa kong device, sabi ko, ang tagal. Sabi ko, and then doon ko lang nakita, sabi ko, ang dami pa ng pages nito. And then yun nga, and then I asked kung sino nag-initiate noon. And then the team told me na ikaw yung nag-initiate nga noon. And until this very day, I have that message, yung file, pinakita ko pa nga kay Dar. I've never expected that from someone kasi I'm the type of person na may problema, hindi ko talaga pinasasabi. And I do not want others na may problema. In fact, pag na-hospital ako, hindi alam sa bahay. Parang lumalabas lang ako sa hospital isa. And I'm trying to convince the nurse na okay na ako. And the same with that when I was inalis yung gallbladder ko. Papasok ng doctor, tiyatanong niya lang, sino yung pasyente? Kasi wala na, kasi nagtatrabaho ako na. So yun, I'll always remember you for that. Iisa yun, pero like I said, it has a profound effect kasi I do not want people to care for me. Naiinis ako pagka nang problema yung mga tao about me. And ayoko kasi ng pabigat. But at that moment,
Tubig ni.
hindi ko hindi may Thank you, Stan. Okay. And then, yung moment na yun, I will never forget you. And then, again, nangyari na yung lahat. It's on a fate accounting, but during the time na nag-a-apply, unknown sa lahat, I'd always update you. Hey, sabi ko, this is what happening, this is what you should do. Sabi ko, out of respect kay Ira, but try to do this. Sabi ko, para tulungan ko ikaw. Ito yung gagawin ko kapag nag-interview. This is what's happening. Ito siguro yung strengths mo. And then the weakness. Trying to, in a way, pay it yung ginawa mo sa akin ng may sakit ako. And in less than 3 days, I was up and about. And in fact, nagkaroon agad kami ng kaso ni May. Meron isang pagkaroon.
Bag na.
And kinailangan kong tumayo na doon. And Cess told me, I don't know ano ginagawa ko dito, Bob. I'm tempted to use my executive decision, pauwiin ka, pero pakalalo ka magkasakit. But I know to everyone, it's because of your message. Kung bakit ako may lakas doon. Kasi sabi ko, I just hate it when someone cares for me. And I hate you for that.
Kasalanan mo pala, Mia. Kaya pumasok si Bob.
No, thank you. And again, maybe this may sound unprofessional, but I really, really love you from the bottom of my heart as a colleague. Mahal na mahal kita. Mas mahal pa kita sa May.
Ano mo na? Si May na yung sunod.
Kailangan ng break ka.
Thank you, Bobby. Go ahead, May.
Okay, thank you, Bobby.